fam, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome, and after you have watched the video, please go ahead and subscribe and like and become a part of this family. If you are already a family member, I love and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah! Okay fam, the supplies you would need for this tutorial are 1 heart bush, this is optional, 2 bunches of flowers, 3 tea light holders, 3 candle holders, 5 tea lights, 1 square platter, 1 bag of glass gems, 1 spoon of ribbon, some glitter, some Elmer's glue or Mod Podge, I think they work about the same, bag of rose petals, scissors, a brush, some adhesive spray, and glue gun. You ready? Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is glue some glitter onto our tea light holders. First, we gotta pour out us some glue onto this plate. Okay, now we're going to take our ribbon and we're going to make a bow, just a small one. Okay. And we're going to make 3 of them. Okay. After we've made our bow, we're going to take one of our hearts. We're going to cut it out. We're going to cut it out with a wire cutter, because it's a little stronger than the scissors. We're going to take our little heart and we're going to glue it right in the middle. I'm going to let it sit for a second. Make sure the glue is dry. Okay. Then we're going to take our glue gun, put some glue right here on the back. I'm going to glue it onto our tea light holder. Okay, while that's drying, we're going to cut out 4 flowers. Okay, we're going to take all 4 and we're going to twist it right here at the stem. But what I did was I took one stem and just twisted it around the other 3. Okay. And I just took the other 3 and wrapped it right around each other. Okay, now we're going to glue our candle holder on top of our tea light holder. Put some glue on top, all the way around. Center it. Your tea light, drop it in there. Get your flowers. Just put a little glue on one side. Put some glue on it so it can hold the flower in place. Okay, we're going to bring them all together. Okay, fam, only 2 could fit in the square platter. Okay, fam, it's sharing time. I'm going to show you 5 purchases that I got from Five Below. Number 1, I got these comfortable slippers. Number 2, I got this locker rug. Very soft. Number 3, I got this LED color changing light bulb. Show you what it looks like. It's a light bulb and it has a remote with it, and it changed to all these colors, and it also flash It fades, it's smooth. I'm gonna show you guys how this works, okay? Got some glitter. They were $3 a piece. And a yogurt map. A yogurt mat. It's time for me to do some exercises. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, I'm gonna show you what this little thing does. We're gonna go into my daughter's room and I'm gonna show you. Because of course I gave it to her. Let's go. Okay, everybody, that's the red light. That's the blue light. That's the green light. That's the yellow light. It's the purple. It's supposed to be purple. Okay, and this is, which one is this? This is the flashing. Wait a minute. Uh-oh, I didn't push the flash. Yes, I did. It just take a second. Okay, this is the fade. And this is the smooth. And this is the strobe. Go back to the flash. Guess the strobe and the flash is almost the same. That's just a solid color. Okay, people. Hope you like this tutorial. I hope you like these great finds. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.